Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry Muktasimov and I'm recording these videos to use Feynman techniques, which is basically about explaining what you have learned. But today's video is not about using Feynman techniques. Today's video is about showing you something that I was excited about. I actually reinvented ChatGPT again, but for something else, actually for improving my learning performance, um, because I can use it just to ask right questions about the concepts that I don't understand. And in today's video, I was trying to learn gradient descent using ChatGPT. And you can just, I recorded a short screencast for you, just showing my ChatGPT session, what questions I asked, what replies I got. And I was so excited, so I decided to record this video today.
Here I'm just trying to show you how I use ChatGPT-4 for improving my learning speed. So I was trying to understand gradient descent here. And so first of all I asked what's the easiest way to understand gradient descent? Well, actually the answer is quite good, but frankly speaking, I could have learned that from Wikipedia. But I think it's still good to establish context for the chat with ChatGPT. Okay, the next question was more concrete. I just asked the formula for gradient descent. This is also in Wikipedia, but it's written in a slightly different form. And also, I just wanted to establish a context. So, if you compare this formula given to me by ChatGPT, it uses different letters for denoting different terms of the formula. So it's also good to establish a context to ask through the questions. And now that's actually what I was wondering, and it's not explained in Wikipedia. And actually, in many cases, when a formula is given, various parts of it might be not clear, and it's really good with ChatGPT that you can ask just about certain parts of the formula to be explained. And so I asked about this upside down triangle, which I didn't know how to call it, and it's actually named it to me. It's called numble, and what it means, and it's really great. Actually, I should put a thumb up here. All right, and next question was, I just seated back with my notebook. I drew I drew a function graph on a Cartesian plane, and try to simulate that a gradient descent for this imaginary function that I drew, and try to do the steps for the gradient descent, and I actually succeeded. And basically I figured out that, well, the gradient itself is actually a derivative of the function at that point. And so that's why I asked this question: is the gradient of the function f at point phi equal to the derivative of the function f at point phi with respect to phi? And I got great answer from ChatGPT. So it told me yes, for one variable function, that's exactly true. And I actually was, I was trying to figure out the gradient descent on one variable function. Like, it's the simplest function I can get, and I decided to shift to multiple variable function later, once I understand it for one variable function. And it was a great answer from ChatGPT, and it told me that, yep, for one variable function it's a derivative, but for multiple variable function it is a vector of partial derivatives of f with respect of each input parameter. That's super great. So what I'm trying to tell is that ChatGPT is a great tool to learn, because you can ask certain questions, certain things that you don't understand, that maybe a book doesn't provide to you, or a video you're watching doesn't provide you. All the misconceptions that you have and incomplete understanding, you can just ask and be given with a great answer.
Thank you for watching. Please feel free to ask any questions, give any comments. Maybe you can give some suggestion how to improve using ChatGPT, or maybe you have other tools that could be used to improve learning performance. It would be great to get a feedback from you.